Tomorrow, the country will go into public holiday to pay their respect to the late Grand Chief Sir Michael Thomas Murray. And on behalf of the management and staff of the Motukea Commission of Inquiry, in the same manner, we also extend our respect in that setting to ensure that when you face tomorrow, see the significance of what this great leader has done for our country and the contribution that he has put together, and so as the other leaders that have also passed on. That's the respect that we must afford it to our leaders of this country. And I'm sure that when you're together with your family tomorrow, you just share the same sentiment to ensure that the respect must be there, and also the significance of this date that we come to respect. That's a short remarks. And on behalf of the Commission, that as I sit on the 68th day of hearing, I welcome you again this morning. But before I go any further to deal with the issues on our daily diary this morning, Council, take us through. Thank you.
Please, the Commission. Commissioner, a couple of matters on today's list. Summons, as well as leave applications returnable for, fixed for submissions this morning. Commissioner, before I go through the list, perhaps I'll like to Mr. Vertimus to enter his appearance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kipper. If the Commission pleases, Veritimos is my name for the record, Varitimos, initials MM. IP with my learned friend, Mr. Al Avori, for the record spelled EVORE, for Curtin Brothers Holdings NG Limited and Barrymore number 39 Limited, if the Commission pleases.
Thank you.
Commissioner, as you will note, Mr. Guerrero is unavailable this morning. He's asked for his matters, all his matters listed for today to be adjourned to Monday, the 27th of February, 2023 at 10 a.m. for mention. If I could just go through his matters, those matters individually. Commissioner, agenda item number 1, that is summons number 21.
Yes.
Agenda item number 2,
Yes.
summons number 14.
Yes.
Agenda item number 3, summons number 15.
Yes.
Agenda item number 4, summons number 16. Agenda item number 5, summons number 19.
Yes.
Agenda item number 6, summons number 30.
Yes.
Agenda item number 7, summons number 37. Agenda item number 8, summons number 42.
Yes.
Agenda item number 9, summons number 46.
Yes.
Commissioner, if those matters, or if a direction could be given for those matters that I've just mentioned to be adjourned to Monday, the 27th of February 2023 at 10 a.m., for mention. Thank you.
Thank you, Council. In consideration to that, the items and the summonses that have been indicated, I give direction that they be adjourned to Monday, the 22nd of February 2023 at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. Commissioner, the balance of the matters, that is items number 10 to 16, are all leave applications. Commissioner, before I mention these leave applications, there are some matters that I wish to settle first, which I've had discussions with Mr. Veritimos, and this is in relation to the objections given by the lawyers for Ballymore number 39 and Curtin Brothers in relation to the documents produced by the various landowners. And we did indicate that we were going to give a response, or our response to the objections by 10 a.m. today. And just yesterday, we received an updated version of the objections, which incorporates objections to the new application that was mentioned yesterday, that is leave application number 15. And Commissioner, for those reasons, we will ask for a further extension of the deadline for us to respond from 10 a.m. today to 4:06 today, Commissioner. And in the meantime, I'm agreeable to furnishing to Ashurst what we have done so far, and the balance of it can be furnished later on today. That is the position in relation to the objections. I just wanted to mention that before I mention the leave applications. Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you, Council. Council Veritimos.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Commissioner. Could I just clarify something? So what transpired, you might recall, is that yesterday there were some documents that Council Assisting referred to in relation to land application number 15 from some new landowners who, from looking at the documents, provided the document to the Commission just before Christmas. We received the documents after the hearing yesterday and updated the schedule to deal with the documents we received after the hearing yesterday. So that's why there's been an up-to-date schedule, because we didn't have the documents to respond to. So that's by way of clarification. So we responded in a very timely fashion within a number of hours of receiving the documents. And Mr. Kipper is correct that we've had a discussion, and he's agreed to give a response to the ones that he's completed, which I understand are half of the landowner applications, and provide those to Ashurst by 1 o'clock, with the balance by 4:06 p.m. today. And could I just re-stress and adopt the remarks of you, Mr. Commissioner, about what the tight time frame is and how it's very important that we do get those objections by 4:06 so we can consider them before Monday's hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Commissioner.
Thank you, Council Veritimos. There's understanding there. Spare your discussion with Council Assisting. And in relation to the balance of the matters for this morning, I will give direction that will be adjourned to...
So, Commissioner, if I may, if Commissioner could just give a direction for the deadline for council assistant to respond to the objections to 406 today first, before I
Thank you, Council. I'm giving direction that the earlier direction that I gave for Council Assistant to deliver all those documents, that it should be delivered by 406 today, is it right?
Correct, Commissioner.
Yes. I'm now reaffirming that position, that this document should be served, should be delivered by 406 today. That's the direction.
Thank you, Commissioner. Now, if I could just return to the list, item number 10, that is leave application number 6.
Yes.
Item number 11, that is leave application number 9.
Yes.
Item number 12, leave application number 10.
Yes.
Item number 13, leave application number 12.
Yes.
Item number 14, leave application number 13.
Yes.
And item number 15, leave application number 14.
Yes.
Commissioner, if all these applications could be adjourned to Monday for hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Council. I'm giving directions now that this application is now adjourned to Monday, the 27th of February 2023 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. The last item, agenda item number 16 on the list is leave application number 15. Commissioner, that's returnable for hearing this morning, and that was filed by Mr. Sogo CI.
Yes.
Mr. CI is present this morning, so if I could invite him to attend at the bar table.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Commissioner.
Good morning.
Before introduction, I humble myself to God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth. Thank you. I'll get to my introduction. My name is Sogo CI, and I am once upon a time a secretary of Veidodaure ILG in Nenehidubu clan of Tatana village. I am the direct descendant of Veidodaure, the recognized person by the colonial government. In reference to that, this inquiry. Thank you.
Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. Commissioner, this matter is returnable for hearing the leave application. And as was the case with all other landowner leave applications, Commissioner, this is uncontested. And Commissioner, to the extent that the application annexes the deed of the instrument that transferred ownership of the land to the Crown on that dated 20th March 1899, I consider this leave application to be relevant for purposes of term of reference 1, subparagraph D, subparagraph quadruple D. If direction could be given for leave to appear to be given, and this matter to be adjourned to next week, Wednesday, with the other landowner applications, Commissioner. Thank you.
Thank you, Council. In consideration to that, leave is granted for the application. And I also given direction that it will be adjourned to Wednesday.
Commissioner, Monday.
Oh, Monday the 27th.
Yes.
My apology. Monday the 27th of February 2023 at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. If Mr. CI could be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. CI, for your attendance this morning. You can be excused. Council?
Commissioner, those are today's matters. I have no further matters and ask that the inquiry be adjourned to next week, Monday. Thank you.
Just to recap some of the developments so far, those directives that have been issued, and in compliance to that, we have to adhere to these directions and to ensure that all those documents are delivered and the parties are also in agreement with the documents that have been delivered, and the understanding in getting all those things must be done appropriately, and to ensure that it assists the Commission in getting through the process of where we are at this stage. I do not wish to deal with any delay in providing the documents as directed, but the responsibility lies with the two parties to ensure that it is done. We have a lot to cover, starting from Monday, the 27th, and as I have always maintained in my short remarks, that time is very important. And if we miss something that is important, there is a possibility that we will continue to miss that. So that's why our attention, the focus must be very clear in the way we deal with this. So I appeal to the council's assisting and also to the ashes, lawyers who are representing Kedem Brothers and Balemo 39. We must make sure that you help guide this commission to ensure that all these objectives are met. With all the objections and all those lists that you have put out, we have to make sure that it is done correctly, appropriately, so that it can be dealt with when we return back on the 27th and onward. With that, I don't have any other comments to make. Council Mal, you are listening out there. Tomorrow is a public holiday in respect to the late Grand Chief Sir Michael Thomas Samara, and the country will be on holiday in respect to that. And I appeal to everyone that you enjoy together with your family, either here or abroad, and to ensure that the significance of the holiday tomorrow must find a meaning also in our lives as Papua New Guineans, whom we do respect at all times. With that short remarks, until we return back on the 27th, which is Monday, to deal with a lot of these issues, as I said, you can now adjourn all the hearings to Monday. Thank you.